In the heart of Europe, Glasser Hub unites the best of Czech and Slavic research to drive innovation in glass and ceramics. At the core of this effort are two world-class research centers, nestled in Trenčín, Slovakia. The Fun Glass Center is redefining what glass can do, from smart surfaces and bioglass for bone implants to waste-derived glass ceramics. Supported by Horizon Europe, global partnerships, and cutting-edge facilities, it drives breakthroughs in coatings, 3D printing, and advanced materials. From optics and energy to biomedicine and sustainability, Fun Glass is where science and industry unite to shape the future of glass. In Brno, SATEC BUT is a powerhouse of advanced ceramic research with a strong legacy of ERC grants and coordinated EU projects. Its deep expertise in nanotechnologies, advanced materials, and complex industrial systems brings cutting-edge science into real-world applications. With close ties to industry and international research networks, SATEC BUT plays a key role in shaping Europe's innovation landscape. But Glasser Hub goes beyond academia, fueling spin-offs, patents, and investment while anchoring the region in Europe's value chains. It's a dynamic ecosystem where science meets industry, policy, and community. Global glassmakers, dynamic SMEs, the cities of Brno and Trenčín, and innovative agencies all together make the quadruple helix not just a concept, but a living reality. Through Glasser Hub, new doors are opening for young researchers, PhD programs, international double degree programs, mentoring, and intersectoral mobility connect early career scientists with industry and entrepreneurship. Glasser Hub builds meaningful careers, empowers future leaders, and turns regional expertise into real-world impact and new opportunities for people and communities. Together, we're forging a resilient, connected, and innovative region, a new European center of excellence in glass and ceramics. This is Glasser Hub, built on tradition, driven by research, open to the world.